Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, September 6, 2025. Mula Apari hanggang Hulo, balikan natin ang Itbulaga, The Clones The Voice of the Stars Grand Concert Grand Finale. Pinangunahan ng atin mga Dabarkads, Main, Ma'am Alan at Ryan. Unahin natin ang powerhouse judges for The Clones Grand Concert. Unang judges, singer-composer, record producer, director at ang Asia's acoustic sensation, ay Segera. Sumunod na judges, The Timeless Acoustic Hits, The Queen of Acoustic Pop, Juris. Next judges, composer, musical scorer, director, Vincent De Jesus. Fourth judges, one of the most talented performer, Masked Singer Pilipinas Season 3 Grand Winner, Theater, Television and Film Actor, Pepe Herrera. Next judges, multi-platinum recording artist, The Crystal Voice of Asia, Sharon Regis. Sixth judges, world-class talent, the Philippines rock and soul diva, Aisel Santos. Next judges, composer, arranger, producer, musical director, member of the Philippines rock band, Neo Color, Jimmy Antiporda. Eighth judges, actor, director, and OPM balladeer, Raymond Lochenko. Next judges, recording artist, television and film actor, and Miss Saigon alumni, Ima Castro. Our ninth judges, music producer, vocal arranger, singer and musical director, Mon Faustino. At ang panghuling hurado, award-winner singer, world-class performer, the OPM Pop Shantos, Kuledesma. Kumpleto na ang atin mga powerhouse judges for The Clones Grand Concert. Diretso na tayo sa atin, Itbulaga, The Clones The Voice of the Stars Grand Concert Grand Finale. Ang unang clone, from Parañaque City, ang ka-voice ni Basil Valdez, Arman Mandapat. Ang susunod na The Clone, from Mandaluyong City, ang ka-voice ni Gary Valenciano, Lucky Robles. Ang third clone, from General Santos City, ang ka-voice ni Freddie Mercury, Stephen JC. Ang next clones, from Binangonan Rizal, ang ka-voice ni Dulce, Rachel Santos. Ang fifth clones, from Taguig City, ang ka-voice ni Karen Carpenter, Jean Jordan Abina. Ang sixth clones, from North Sagaray Bulacan ang ka-voice ni Steve Perry, June Ryle Kiambao. Next clone from Makati City, ang ka-voice ni Miley Cyrus, Daryl Shane Jandani. Ang eighth clones, from Valenzuela City, ang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe, Raul Carino. At ang pangsyam at huling clones, from Davao Oriental, ang ka-voice ni Michael Bolton, Dominador Alviola Jr. Kumpleto na ang atin mga Clones The Voice of the Stars Grand Concert finalist. Diretso na tayo sa mga nanalo. Ang tinanghal na Dabarkads Choice winner, to receive 30,000, with an average vote reaction of 46,188. Ang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe, Raul Carino. Ang nakakuha ng second runner-up, to receive 50,000 pesos, with an average scores of 96.55%, muli. Ang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe, Raul Carino. Ang first runner-up, to receive 100,000 pesos, with an average scores of 97%, ang ka-voice ni Gary Valenciano, Lucky Robles. At ang atin grand champion ng The Clones The Voice of the Stars Grand Concert, to receive a trip for 2 on Asian destination, courtesy of Travel Geeks at mag-uuwi ng 500,000 pesos or half a million pesos, with ang average scores of 97.86%, ang ultimate grand winner ay ang ka-voice ni Karen Carpenter, Jean Jordan Abina. Congratulations Jean Jordan Abina, ang grand winner ng The Clones The Voice of the Stars Grand Concert. Ganon din kila, Raul Carino, at Lucky Robles. Bukas ang atin comment section para sa inyong mahahalagan opinion.
Unahin na natin ang Dabarkads Choice winner. Ayan yung mga...
Bossing, yung Dabarkads Choice, siya po ang may pinakamaraming reacts sa TVJ Facebook page.
To receive 20,000, ang The Clones Ka Voice of the Stars Dabarkads Choice with 46,188 reacts.
Wow!
Sa'yo walang iba kundi ang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe, Ruel Carrillo, to receive 50,000 with an average score of 96.55%. The Clones ka-voice of the Stars' second runner-up is ang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe, Ruel Carrillo, to receive 100,000 pesos with an average score of 97%. The Clones ka-voice of the Stars' first runner-up ay ang ka-voice ni Gary Valenciano, Lucky Robles. Congratulations. To receive a trip for two to an exciting Asian destination, complete with airfare, hotel accommodation, and guided tour, courtesy of Travel Gigs, which will be awarded by Travel Gigs Senior Reservation Specialist Melody Denosta and Melissa Ravana. At mag-uwi ng 500,000 pesos. $500,000 pesos. With an average score of 97.86. Point lang nagkatalo. Doon sa first runner-up. The Clones ka-voice of the Stars' ultimate grand winner is ang ka-voice ni Karen Carpenter, Jean Jordan Apina. Congratulations. Si Pedro. Also known as Pedro.
Kapatid ni Karen.
Last perfection of the quiet perfect world. I'm full enough to think that's what I'll find.
Unahin na natin ang